Did you know that the Eiffel Tower actually grows taller every summer? No, it's not a myth or a trick, it literally expands. The reason why is both simple and completely mind-blowing. Let's dive in. The Eiffel Tower, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. But what if I told you it doesn't always stay the same height? In fact, it grows every single summer. Here's why. The Eiffel Tower is made of iron. And just like any metal, iron expands when it gets hot. During summer, temperatures in Paris can reach 30 degrees Celsius or more. When that happens, the metal structure absorbs heat and actually stretches, causing the tower to grow by up to 15 centimeters 6 inches. It's called thermal expansion, and it's a real physical effect. The hotter it gets, the more the iron expands outward and upward. Thermal expansion happens when heat causes particles in a material to move faster. They push away from each other, which makes the whole object grow in size. It's the same reason why train tracks or bridges have little gaps, so they don't warp or crack in extreme heat. With the Eiffel Tower, engineers knew this would happen. So they designed it to handle this flexing pretty smart, right? When Gustave Eiffel built the tower in 1889, he took thermal expansion into account. The tower's iron lattice isn't just beautiful, it's also super strong and flexible. It can shift and breathe with the temperature without damaging the structure. It's kind of like the tower has its own rhythm, expanding in summer, shrinking a bit in winter. So next time you're in Paris during summer, look up and know the tower is taller than it was in winter. It's not just a tourist spot, it's a living, changing monument. A 300-meter metal sculpture that responds to the sun. The Eiffel Tower isn't frozen in time. It breathes with the seasons. If you found this surprising, wait until you hear what's hidden inside the Statue of Liberty. That's in the next video. Like, subscribe, and stay curious. See you in the next one.